Hi guys! Welcome to channel.
What's up everyone? So another day at the airport, another travel vlog. So for today, we will be going to Boracay with my family. After 1 hour of flight, we are now here at Caticlan Airport. So from here at the airport, going to the Boracay Island, we book our transfers via Klook. So ang provider for that ay ang Southwest Tours. And booking with Klook is very convenient, lalo na if you're with your family. So everything is provided from land transfer to boat transfer. Lahat ng fees like terminal fee and environmental fees are also included in that package. We are now checking in dito sa Crown Regency Beach Resort. We booked 3 rooms here for all of us, and then magpapahinga lang kami saglit and we will be out for lunch.
So dito kami sa Talipapa. Fresh seafood. Magpaluto tayo. Lobster, shrimp, squid, scallops, 1 point fish. 1 point. Hindi, isa na lang. 3. Gutom yan. Gutom yan. Kamusta food, Zain? Ay, dead. There's more! So, may scallops dito and squid.
After lunch, bumalik na rin kami sa hotel para magpahinga because it's been a long day for us. So lalabas na lang kami for the sunset. And of course, in-enjoy na rin namin yung amenities ng resort. They have this pool, they also have this jacuzzi na mainit siya, syempre good kapag gabi. And of course, the view of the beach.
What's up everyone? So we will be out for land tour dito sa Boracay. So wait and see yung mga destinations natin. See ya!
So we rented this e-trike para sa ating land tour dito sa Boracay. So now going to our first destination, which is the mangrove area.
Hey, what's up? So this is our first destination dito sa ating land tour sa Boracay. I'm still with my family here. So yung first is yung ating mangrove park. Yan, so tinatawag nila tong Roots for Boracay. So protect and preserve the mangroves. Hello! So after mangrove, nandito na kami sa Tampisaan Beach. Ayan. And pag akyat mo dito sa may ano ba to, man-made structure, Kita mo dito yung Crystal Island overlooking sa kabilang side. Yun. Yun. Ito. So, yung Crystal Island, ano yan, part ng island hopping activity.
Bago mo swimming dyan?
Hello! So, nandito na kami sa Bolabog Beach. Meron ditong signage, bago lang to. I Heart Boracay. Bolabog Beach. So, marami ng changes dito sa Bolabog Beach. Marami ng mga bagong boutique resorts and hotel. So, ang pinupunta dito yung sikat na nyog. Ayun. Yung nakahigang nyog. So, picture-picture lang tayo and then off to the next destination.
1, 2, 3.
Masyadong in-demand tong puno na to. Sobrang haba ng pila. Ang tagal ng pila namin dito, mga 30 minutes para sa ilang photos. Off to next destination. So, bababa tayo dun papunta ng Keyhole.
Delmont. Tapos
Delmont. Ah, okay. So, guys, i-check nito. 5 plus brew. Yan. So, yung kapatid ko may eksena dun. Dito siya ngayon sa sa New Coast. Pupunta kasi kami dun sa Keyhole. So, nakita namin si Kuya dito. Kuya, ayun. Kami siya. Ano man tayo, ice natin. Sinasayang mo naman.
Boss mo okay lang. Yan, kabila.
Nagsayang po siya ng sugar.
Sige pa.
Karahati na lang.
Punin mo na. Kasi matapang yung coffee.
Masukal.
Pa.
Ito na lang, sir.
Ito yung sa kanya kasi yun yung more sugar. Ito yung sa less.
Hindi po, ito po yung...
Akin na yung less sugar patikim. Sarap, guys. Worth it. Hey guys, so ito na yung ating fourth destination sa land tour. Yung Keyhole. Ayan.
Okay, 1, 2, 3!
Ayan. So nandito tayo ngayon sa New Coast. Boracay New Coast. So nandun yung Keyhole. And then after Keyhole, I'm not sure kung ano yung next destination natin. Maybe Puka Beach.
Hello guys! Hindi ko ikaw muna.
Hello guys! Ito yung pamangkin ko.
Ito pa. Dapat ko. Itong lahat.
Ano yan? Ikaw sabihin mo na, saan na ba tayo pupunta na?
Sa Boracay.
Sabihin mo, galing tayong Keyhole.
Ikaw ah.
Guys, galing kami Keyhole.
Guys, punta po kami doon sa...
Hey everyone! So, nandito na tayo sa Crystal Kayak. Kuya ang ating photographer. Anong pangalan ni Kuya? Ha? Josel, yan. Si Kuya Josel. Hanapin nyo na lang si Kuya Josel dito sa Puka Beach para sa inyong pangmalakasang mga pictures. So, saktong-sakto, sunset na. So, hintayin nyo yung outcome ng mga photos. Hey guys, what's up? So today is actually Monday, so may lang ako nakalabas late afternoon kasi I also need to work. This is our day 3 dito sa Boracay. I'm still with my family. So ngayon, let's go out.
By the way, my family did this activity. So ito yung clip nila when they did helmet diving for today. Kasi I didn't join them because I needed to work. So there you go.
Almost sunset. Ayan. This is a really good time to go out. Kasi hindi rin masyadong masakit sa balat yung araw. And of course, it's always good to watch sunset. Zan!
I learned that my office mates are here, so I decided to meet them here.
Nag-work pa ngayon sa dito. Number 10. Remember ko yan. Going saan? Support namin finance.
After meeting my office mates, mapapasubo naman tayo dito sa Subo with my family para sa aming last dinner dito sa Boracay.
Alam sa esena nilang kumain. Picture. Good morning! So, day 4 and uwian day. Quick check lang tayo ng ating Boracay White Sand Beach. Medyo malumot ngayon, although hindi naman ganun kakapal, but you know, this lumot is a natural thing kapag summer dito sa Boracay. So, ganun pa rin yung sun, sobrang grabe. Boracay never fails. We are checking out. So, yan na. Naka-ready na kami. Nandito na rin yung aming sundo. Goodbye, Boracay. Yay! Boracay never fails. Really. Goodbye, my favorite island. Last look before we go, before we leave this paradise. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, hit like and then comment down below. Please subscribe, share, and hit the notification bell. See ya!